We'll guide you through how to fix cookies are disabled in Google Chrome. You can see it says your browser has cookies disabled. Make sure cookies are enabled and try again. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem is really annoying as you're then unable to go and sign into Google here, and maybe other things aren't working as well. So press the three dots in the top right and go down and find the option for settings. In settings, you need to go and scroll down and find the option for site settings and tap there. Now you want to go and scroll down like so, and you want to go and find the option for third-party cookies in content and make sure they're set to allow. Then come back and you want to scroll down again and find on-device site data. Click there and switch that on. Then you can come back. Now what you want to do is come back again, find the option for privacy and security, and you can click delete browsing data at the top. I like to go and clear this as well. We'll do all time. Make sure cookies are selected and press delete data. Hopefully now the problem is solved. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.